Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This is Dino Crisis, my childhood game. And you know, I don't know what to expect in this game again, but because I haven't played this for a long time. So without further ado, let's start this game. Normal, of course.
You have mail. The second report from Military Experiment Facility. Agent name, Tom.
I have successfully infiltrated under the guise of a researcher's plan. I have encountered no information regarding top-secret development of new type weapons. But I have discovered there is an unexpected individual at this facility. The man is Dr. Kirk, the leading authority of our nation's energy research. Dr. Kirk was alleged to have died in an accident during the course of an experiment 3 years ago. Reports were premature, and it appears that he is currently working as the head of a non-weapon project at this facility. The experiment is in the late stages of development. Regarding the staged accidental death, it appears that this country is somehow involved, recommending that necessary actions be taken immediately.
Refer to the data on Dr. Kirk.
Kirkwood proposes the ultimate source of clean energy. Government rejects financial support laboratory process. Tragic disaster, Dr. Kirk. This is following an accident during an experiment.
Operation instructions.
Secure Dr. Kirk and repatriate him. Where's the LZ though? Okay. I've dropped the LZ.
It's time. Let's move on.
What about Cooper?
Forget him. Time's up.
Wait!
Wrong LZ.
Okay, this is the first checkpoint. Playtime is officially over, kiddies. Something's wrong. The lights in the guardhouse are out.
Maybe this has been a wild night at party for the guards. You know, a little song.
Stay here, Junior. Leave the guards to me.
Hey, did you hear what he just called me?
Forget about it. Just let Gale handle this.
All right, it's clear. Okay, let's do this. I'll infiltrate the facility and occupy the control room on the first floor. I should have access to all the security systems from there. I'll contact you as soon as I clear the room.
Excuse me. Okay.
Let me guess. This is some of your handiwork, right?
The brass is still warm. These guards were shooting at something very recent.
So who are they fighting?
This wasn't much of a fight. I don't think these guards did anything before getting sliced and diced. Whatever they were shooting at came in through there, ripped right through the steel fence.
Well, the hole is nice and clean. But I still say you could have done this.
Very funny. Still need to figure out what happened here. Continue to sweep the area.
Okay. Holy. The words backup generator area. Level. Okay. Ground level. For crowd into. Oh, right then. You got the resuscitation. Okay. Nice. You got the medicine. Okay, another one here. You need the B1 backup generator room key to open this door. Well, I happen to have it. Wait, what the? B1? Okay. Backup generator area. Okay. Later.
Rick can handle the inside of the facility on his own.
Okay. I will go to another way.
Rick here. I'm in. The place is deserted. I have a very bad feeling like this.
How's the progress going with that security system?
I don't know what's been going on here, but it looks like all the power in this facility is being cut.
Same here.
The problem that's the situation. There's not a lot I can do. Why don't you see if you can gain access to the backup generators on the ground level?
I'm on it. What are you doing here?
caught the last part of your conversation.
By the way, I found a key.
Hand it over. Let's head outside.
Bruh. That's not cool. Passageway to the backup generator. They must have been used to carry materials. I should be using the analog because this is the Dreamcast version.
That's disgusting.
This guy's been eviscerated. Something tore his intestines straight out.
Oh,
Look at those tooth marks. It had to be some sort of animal.
Okay, let's move on.
nope. What the hell?
I'll stand guard here. You go inside and take a look around.
Oh my god, what the hell is this? That is weird. Okay. I think the first puzzle is to be noticed. Avoid using the batteries from the other floor and vice versa. Okay. The battery charger. If I set the battery here, I can charge it. Oh wait, what? A power distribution device that distributes electricity to the various areas of the facility. Okay. Alright, another puzzle. There are 3 buttons. Which button will you press? Thank you. Oh wait. Wait. There's a switch. Ah, okay. Okay, red on the left side. Alright. Let's move. Blue. Green, white. Okay, white. Well, that is good. If I played this on the PS1, maybe the texture is more pixelated. But hey, at least we have worked it out. Oh no, I hear some roaring there. I wailing. Okay, I knew it. Oh, okay. I know that dino. That's the raptor. Okay. I knew it. This Is that is a dinosaur, Missy? Let's go back. Whew. Oh wow. Okay, run for our lives. That raptor is very agile. Shut up. Oh. Oh my god. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh lordy. Ow! Nine. Oh lord, that was a very scary one. Okay.
Good news. I got the control system back online. What's the situation over there?
It's Gale. I lost him.
So what's the bad news? Did you run into some guards?
You're not gonna believe this. He was attacked by some kind of dinosaur.
Oh.
That's a good one. So, who was it?
This isn't a joke, you idiot. We were just attacked by a big-ass lizard.
Oh no.
What's going on over there? Alright, head over to the control room and we'll sort out this whole situation.
The guy. Oh man. He really just. Here he is. Oh. Again. Okay. The door is locked from the other side. Okay, vitality, thank you. Wait. Huh? There's a ventilation opening. I believe I can reach it by climbing. Do you want to climb the ventilation? Maybe you want to climb to the ventilation opening? Yes. Yep. I will. Okay. Wait. Map. No. I think we will go here. This area. Will you climb down to the from the ventilation opening? Yes. Later I will fix the VMU. I think VMU thingy, because it's, you know, annoying. Oh wow. Alright. Collect the code disk with the same mark and set both ng parts into the door. Okay, DDK. You save your progress? Yes. Yes. Save complete. Oh lordy Lou. Oops. Ow. Ay, ay. Nope. Recovery aid, thank you. This guy, I mean this dinosaur, you will never learn, huh? Okay. Oh, was stupid. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, you don't. Uh, okay, thank you very much. Goodbye. Okay. 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 The guard rotation schedule is posted here. Right. This one. A switch, will you press it? Alright. Wait. Oh. Okay. He has been gouged in the torso. Not this one. It appears to be a panel that can unlock an electronic lock. Panel key 2. Thank you very much. There is a panel here that accepts a numeric code. Will you enter the number? Oh, nope. Nope. Player education. Please inform the new assigned to this department about the DDK system as follows. The digital disk or DDK is a system that secures our most important areas with an advanced locking device. To release the locks protected by the DDK, prepare and set the following two data disks and at the locking device near the door. Okay, DDK code disk, DDK input disk. The type of the DDK you need is indicated on the door. A, B, etc. If the DDK type you use does not match, you cannot release the lock before operating the system. Make sure that your DDK type matches the door you wish to unlock. Okay. There you go. Yes. Okay, climb down on this one. Look. Hello, stupid. Okay, attack me all you want. I will definitely buy this premium mode on the Daydream so I can rearrange, I think, the VMU. VMU is the most annoying thing here. Like, it's here, but it's like blocking your progress here. It has been okay. Okay, nice. Okay. Thank you very much. And then, hey, can I enter here? This area. Okay, hot movies hallway. Ah, nope. Oops. Almost walked there. Okay. Main entrance. Okay, alright. Okay, there you go. Lounge first. I hope there's no. We'll take the hemostat. Yes. Due to bleeding. Please. Oh man, give me. Oh man. Give me a break. Okay, now I'm bleeding. Passageway to the communication area. Communication antenna room. A memo from an antenna operating engineer. Will you read the memo? As a result of tonight's experiment, a strong magnetic storm may occur. Consequently, the communication department will close at 6 p.m. At that time, the antenna will be temporarily stored to prepare for the emergency. Be sure to check the weapons storage locker in the lounge. You can unlock it with the combination 8159. Recently, inexperienced guards have been assigned here, and a common problem is that they do not know. Okay, wait. They do not know how to use the DDK. Here are some points that may not be clear in the manual. Make sure that your staff becomes familiar with this important information after you set the DDK to the door's locking device. Locking device, yes. Okay. Okay. After you set the DDK to, make sure that you start familiar with this important. After you set the DDK to the door's locking device, you'll be asked to enter a password. You'll be asked to enter the password code. You will then need to derive the code by using the basic elimination rule. Eliminate the key letters to reveal the correct code. Be sure to try this out by setting an actual DDK to the door locking device. For example, OXPYEZN XYZ. That was the code, then key XYZ. In the above case, the correct password would be open. Oh, alright, thank you. That was a good insight. Oh my god, I am bleeding again. the most I hated here is the one I hated. The door is locked from the other side. Alright. Oh, this is like a movie. Three ammos. Oh no, no. I am not going there. The door has been locked by the DDK. You must check the device to the next to the door and set the DDK device. Oy, oy, oy. Eight, 1, 5, 9. You can remodel your Glock handgun into a Glock 35 by using this. Oh no 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 no. The chemical manual, it is the brochure of a pharmaceutical company. With the file. Okay. Okay. For now, I will not read any stupid. Oh. Ow. Ow. Okay, DDK. Okay. Okay. Okay, no. Okay, shotgun. How many? Okay. All right. Map. Okay. Oh, yeah. Click. Yeah. Okay.
What's our status?
This security system is a snap from me. Real amateur stuff. So, what exactly happened to Gale? You said that he was attacked by a dinosaur?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it. I just hope he's still alive. Anyway, our first priority is to complete the mission.
What we ought to do is just call in the chopper and get off this death trap.
That's a great idea, but Cooper has the radio, and he's missing.
Well, yeah, because
Hey, what's with this monitor?
I will not spoil.
That's the security monitor for the underground
Aye.
area. The camera's offline.
So I take it that means power still hasn't been restored to the area.
Exactly. They must have that area wired to a different power system than the ground level.
We can investigate that area after we finished our sweep of the ground level.
Okay, then I'll take care of the shutters that are blocking the way. You work your way in, grab the dock, and then rendezvous back here.
Okay. Unequip. What? An ID card is required to operate this elevator.
Yeah. And what I want to know is where those things are coming from.
Hooey. You can store medical supplies in this emergency box. You need a plug to open this emergency box. I don't have enough plugs. I do not have enough plugs. Alright. I'll press the switch, nothing happened. Okay. Management office, alright. Okay. Oh, what? Okay.
Regina, I took care of the shutter. You should be able to access the control panel now.
Oh.
Ready? That was quick. Thanks.
Hey girl, just kidding.
Oh. Taste that. Oh. Oh man. Okay, you. Input disk. Okay. Code. Save. And to reduce the lock is it is necessary to okay. And nothing. Hey, there's the, I think here. Wait, is there any importance on that area? Okay. Okay. Want to fight more? Ow. Okay. Okay, H. Bed. And big. Okay, B. Big. Okay, big. Okay. Yes. Okay, key. Okay. God, Ke, Fage, hindi. BCFI, so okay, let's eliminate this. Okay. dig. Nothing. So hug. Okay. Okay. Let's try head. Forward, I think, or heads. Okay. I am correct based on my guess. By the way, I just guessed it though.
A survivor.
Okay.
Are you from the rescue team?
Yes, I am. Do you know where I can find Dr. Kirk?
Kirk. That fool. What's he plotting now?
What are you talking about?
Here. Take this.
What's this for?
I don't know. Told me. Extremely vital.
It appears to be a panel that can unlock an electronic lock. Yeah, it's very bad. Various miniatures are lined up here. They all seem to be weapons. Okay.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Okay. I need that code, please. That monster. Code on the same door and okay. Wait, what? A commemorative metal is displayed here. There are two slots under the frame where panel keys can be inserted. This thing. Alright. Left. Right. Okay. I am correct. There's a panel numeric that accepts. There's a panel that accepts a numeric code. Enter the number 8159. Okay, I don't know the code yet, so I should dig in for more. Yes. But for now, we will save and end this episode. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, it's morning. Right then. They really showed she is injured, huh? What? This is a good detail. Injured, what should I do? Okay, this is a safe area for now, so save your progress, yes. Control room hall. Oh my god. Alright, this is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching. Deus Volt, and bye bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know